Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Summer's coming up, so that means you want to spend time with your family and have some fun. So it's meal prep time. Come on with me and I'm going to show you what I do to prep my meals and what I've done with the leftovers from Thanksgivings. Not Thanksgivings, Easter. Oh.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
All right, so let me show you first what I have left over from the holidays. These were the beans I had, which I turned into a bean soup, which I froze, okay? You have a good amount of that, all right? Well, at least I do because I cooked a lot that day. Now, this is some of the leftover turkey. It's frozen, all white meat. And this is hamburger I cooked up. It's frozen as well, okay? I also have some hot sauce soup I made real quick. I have a video on that. Take a look at it. I froze it for another time. So that's a complete little meal in itself. These are for future meals, which I could just make off the top of my head when I'm hungry. It's frozen, but it doesn't take long to thaw it out. Not the bean soup as well. You know, you can use some hot water to throw, cooler water to thaw it out if you want to, or your microwave. Now, I'm gonna just pack these up and put them back in the freezer, okay, for future use. Ooh, also, I've taken some of this turkey, and let me show you what I made. Turkey soup, and of course I froze it. I'm gonna I'm gonna chip off chunks of it and thaw it out and use it to my leisure. So that's at least a week or two right there. Let me show you what I'm doing today. If I can get the top on. I today am making turkey tetrazzini. I have a video on that. I'll share it in the link. This is frozen turkey right here. I'm just going to chop it up as I cook it. These are frozen vegetables. I have some frozen celery, frozen onion, fresh garlic, and fresh green pepper I chopped up. I also have some fresh red onion. I'm going to start sauteing these first. Then I'm going to put in my frozen chicken and chop it up as it unthaws and cooks. Because remember, it's already cooked from Easter, all right? And I'll combine that with some water I'm boiling. For the elbow macaroni, I'm going to put in my turkey tetrazzini. Okay, pasta's coming along nicely. Pot's heating up to saute the vegetables. Now, you think these green peppers are past their time and have seen their day? No. Cut off the bad parts, chop them up, and freeze them. Okay, nieces and nephews, see how the turkey just breaks apart? All I did was saute some vegetables and put in the frozen turkey, and it heats right up. So I'm not really cooking, you know what I'm saying? The noodles are already done. So now all I have to do is combine everything with the sauce and put it in the baking dish and bake it. Be right back. All right, now we're going to combine the sauce with everything.
What are you making?
Well, it's a turkey tetrazzini from the leftover turkey from Easter. So I just made some sauce and sauteed some vegetables, and here we go. And what we don't eat, I'm going to freeze. So, nieces and nephews, what you do, what you don't eat, you're going to freeze. You're just going to mix this around.
Believe it or not, I never had turkey tetrazzini.
You didn't? Everybody, Mike is my cameraman right now.
And I never had tuna casserole or hamburger helper.
Well, I make homemade stuff like that because the sodium. Oh no, oh no.
Not even homemade. I guess that's the Serbian. I'm foreign.
All right, now we're going to. I want to put the rest of this sauce in here. I don't want to waste a drop.
You can never have enough sauce.
Unless you're too, well, no. You can't make it sauce.
Fat?
No.
Like
don't
me?
No, no, that's a bad word. We're not calling anybody fat.
I'm calling myself fat.
Don't even do that. All right, now you're going to put the rest of your, of course, as in my video, Parmesan on top. And of course, it's going to clump up and fall out in one chunk. So when that happens, spread it around. All right, now we're going to put this in the oven until it comes out nice and brown. And we're going to be all good. Okay. Hey guys, fresh out of the oven, turkey Tetrazzini casserole.
Smelling good, looking
Yes,
good.
thank you, Miss Bambi. We're going to slice it up, have some for dinner, and the rest I'm going to freeze. Now, I got some leftover pasta. I'm going to freeze that and use that with the other ingredients I have. So you see, I've got meals already set. Okay? Now, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I've got a link down below to my full-length Turkey Tetrazzini video. So you'll see in depth how to make this, okay? All right. Let me know what you want to see next. Bye-bye.